Hey guys, how is everyone doing? This is Nick from ForexNoobs.com. You guys who are in here live know this because you're members. But for everyone out there on YouTube, this is Nick from ForexNoobs.com with the daily analysis. Today is Tuesday, the 21st of August, 2018. Time is 1 o'clock here in the UK. You're looking at a EURUSD daily chart. Today's analysis, we're going to be looking for price action setups. When I say price action setups, what I mean is we're going to be looking for continuations, reversals, all kinds of setups. I've had a few good weeks the last few weeks, a few great trades. So let's see if we can continue it this week. Last week too, some of the trades I shared towards the end of the week took off. EURUSD, New Zealand USD took off from the support areas, but now we're looking for someone else on these pairs. So yeah, let's get started. Let's get into it. Hey Graham, Steve, Zafar, Sharon, how you guys doing? Starting up my screen drawing tools. Here we go. Nice. So let's kick things off with EURUSD. So EURUSD has reversed from the support area. We were looking at the support area for a potential reversal last week. That reversal occurred. Now it's come back up to this resistance area. This is actually quite interesting. So EURUSD, what it was basically doing is it dropped down really fast. Then it got into this range for a while. We're looking at it. Weren't quite sure what direction it was going to go. Was it going to push up? Was it going to push down? Eventually push down, obviously. Now it's turning back around and it's heading back towards that range. As always with the charts, anything can happen here. You know, it can turn back, go back into that range and get stuck there again. It can turn around and continue down. A lot of things can happen. But let's talk about what I'm looking for, what I want to see happen. I'm actually happy with two scenarios. If price comes up to here, where it is now, and it stalls out here for 1 or 2 daily candles, I'll definitely be looking for a short trade, a short continuation trade of this overall bearish trend. But it's also possible that price pushes back into this range. The thing about ranges is they act kind of like vacuums. So this range is kind of like a vacuum. When price drops out of the range, it turns around and gets sucked back in. I'm not saying that's 100% necessarily going to happen. I'm just saying that it's quite common for that to happen with ranges. When price is in a range, drops out of that range, it gets sucked back into the range a lot of times. So that's totally what we could be seeing here. And if it does, then that'd be great because that'll give us, it's always easiest to trade in a range. So that'll give us some nice range trades there. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep a close eye on this one. I'm going to be looking for two things. I'm either going to be looking for price to stall out on this resistance area. If it stalls out there for a few candles, I'll be looking for a short trade from there. If price breaks through this resistance area, gets back into this range, then I'll be looking to trade the range. Pretty straightforward and simple. Right, so New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD is pretty similar. I mean, it's doing the exact same thing as EURUSD. But this one has not reached the top of the bottom of the former range or the resistance area yet. So I'm just going to do a wait and see type thing with this one. We'll see if it hits, if it gets back into that range. We'll see if it hits the resistance area. I just want to give this one some time to move. EURGBP is bouncing away. Ash, but the breakout was so strong. Yeah, that doesn't matter. Just because the breakout's strong doesn't mean it can't get back into that range. EURGBP, there's nothing much going on here. It's bounced away from this resistance area. It's a very strong resistance area. So let's look at GBP AUD. Yeah, again, nothing much going on there. GBPUSD, this one's kind of interesting. GBPUSD has been dropping quite a bit. Broke below the support area. It's come back up, testing it. I'm going to look for a continuation from here, a short continuation trade. So I want to see what this candle, maybe even the 12-hour candle does, how this closes. There's definite potential for a short continuation here. It is stalling out on this resistance area. Let's keep a close eye on this one. AUD/USD, similar situation to EURUSD. Price is stalling out on top of this resistance area, so I'm looking for a potential short trade. It could go back into the range. If it goes back into the range, I'll be looking to take some range trades. But for now, it's stalling out on this resistance area. So the same thing as EURUSD, looking for a potential short from here. We're going to wait and watch this one. EURJPY. This one's also pulling back to the resistance area. Potential for a short continuation here. It already looks like it's stalling out on the lower time frames. Gonna remove those green lines, and nothing much going on in AUDJPY, guys. AUD New Zealand, nothing much going on there. Euro AUD, similar situation, nothing much going on there. EURCAD, similar to EURJPY, pushed up to the resistance. Could be looking for a short continuation here. Let's keep an eye on it. GBPJPY is stalling out really heavily on this support area. Looks like we could be seeing a reversal here, but I'm not going to trade this. Too unpredictable on GBPJPY lately. Not to mention, I'd have to trade it on like a 3-day chart, which I don't really trade. So give that one a miss. That's fine. Yeah, this isn't doing much. It's just going down, isn't it? Nothing much there. USD CHF. I have to get rid of these green lines. I keep forgetting. USD CHF. This one's also shooting down. Let's see what happens here. But there's no real setups here. USD JPY, nothing much going on. And these two I don't even really trade. So early in the week, it's a Tuesday. But we've already got some stuff forming for this early in the week. Pretty exciting. EURUSD potential short forming. GBPUSD potential short forming. These are all potentials. These aren't triggered yet. I'm not saying jump into these right now. I'm saying we need to watch for the next 1 or 2 candles on the daily, the 12-hour, maybe even the 8-hour, and see if we can find a good entry point. AUDUSD potential short. EURJPY potential short. Shorts across the board, really. EURCAD potential short. Are there any questions, guys? So around here. Nah, I'm not going to go back to 2015 to get my support resistance. It's moved through it twice already, and it's just cut straight through it without even acknowledging that there was potential support resistance there. I think we're good. I won't be monitoring that support resistance area. Yeah, I mean, I'm open to trading GBPUSD on the 8-hour. I'm not going to go with the 6-hour. It's that move up or the 4-hour. That move up is quite fast. It's only stalled for a single candle. I think that's jumping the gun a bit. But maybe the 8-hour. Let's see how this candle closes. If you look at this move, it's been a pretty strong bullish move up. Buyers have been in control. Now, for a single candle, they stall out on this resistance area. Wait, I'm on the wrong time frame. I'm more talking about the 6 hour here. So strong move up. For a single candle, they stall out. You know, I'm not going to just jump in short right away. I want to see them actually stall out properly there. So maybe the 8 hour, but I'd probably rather go for 12 hour, to be honest. Any other questions, guys? I prefer trading this strategy on the higher time frames. I just get better results. Personally, that's what I prefer. But we have setups we can trade on the 1 hour, the 30-minute and stuff. Ash, let's keep discussion on those setups for the forum, because this is going to be a public webinar. Those setups are for members only. Ask in the forum section, please. All right, it doesn't look like there's any other questions. I'm not going to be around tonight. 5-year anniversary. So don't expect me to be responding in the forum tonight. Technically shouldn't even be doing the webinar today, but I did it anyway. So I'll see you guys for tomorrow's webinar. Thank you so far. It's a big one. 5 years. First time ever for me. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow night. Thanks, guys. Sorry, not tomorrow night. Tomorrow morning, rather. I'm not sure what time. Probably 10 o'clock. Probably our normal webinar time. I'll see you guys then. Good luck with the trading tonight. Thanks for attending, and I'll see you guys later.